Introducing TradeSync, the lightning-fast bridge between Telegram signals and Metatrader execution. TradeSync is a Telegram to Metatrader trade copier. It automatically reads your trading signals from any Telegram channel or group, private or public, and executes the trades directly on your broker account, without you lifting a finger. To start copying trades, you'll first need to log into the Telegram account that contains the channels or groups you want to copy from. Follow these simple steps to sign in and begin copying trades automatically. After logging in successfully, you'll notice that the Metatrader status shows as not connected. Follow these steps to install the expert advisor that links your broker account to the app. You must add these URLs to web request and enable web requests. It's important for the system to work. And that's it. You're all set. You should now see the status showing as connected. Next, choose the channels or groups for the app to monitor. It will then pick trades automatically from them. The system can detect market order signals as soon as they're sent to the channel. Even if the provider just mentions gold, it automatically maps it to XAU, USD. It also recognizes shorthand like EU and turns it into EUR, USD, and so on. It also responds to close signals. When the admin replies "close" to a trade, the system detects it and closes the trades automatically. If the admin later edits a market order to set the SL or TP, the system detects the changes and updates the trade automatically. For example, the admin set the SL for the EU trade to 1.16135, which was updated successfully, and later edited the TP, which was also applied automatically. Admins often send pending orders to the channel, and the system can detect common patterns in these signals, whether single or multiple entries. By default, it opens separate trades for each TP using the given entry and SL. This mode can later be changed to trail the stop on the next TP or take just a single trade with the first TP from the settings. Even if the admin uses text formatting like bold, italic, strike-through, or spoilers, the system can still read the signals and execute the trades. For multiple entry pending orders, the system opens separate trades for each entry using the provided TP and SL. For example, if a trade has 2 entries and 6 take-profit values, it will open 12 trades by default, 6 trades for the first entry using all take-profit values, then 6 trades for the second entry in the same way.